Today we have a Toyota. Customer used a headlight restoration kit and scratched his lights all up. So he called us. And as you can see here, all the horizontal lines in the face of that light. See it? Look at the other side. Same issue, all those vertical lines. So we proceeded with a headlight restoration, and this is what we have. Beautiful. Look at that. Crystal clear. No scratches. Here comes your other one. Crystal clear, no scratches. Broward County, 754-302-0769. Give us a call, send us a text, send us your pictures. We are mobile. We come to you, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach County, 754-302-0769.